Hello there, my name is Alexander. I made this video to share this amazing affiliate system I use that earns me money every week. What's incredible about this system is my income grows exponentially every month because of the clients in my own network. Look, I'm not trying to sell you a pyramid scheme or something similar. I'm talking about a simple affiliate system where all I need to do is post ads on my social media networks. Let me explain. Every time someone buys something on the internet, someone else makes money from that transaction. Usually it's the owner and affiliate that promoted the product. And that's basically it. All you need to do is put in the effort to make a sale. Then every month you earn money from recurring commissions from that sale. However, that's not the best part of it. With the new leveraged affiliate system, you will also earn sales every time one of your affiliates makes a sale as well. Plus, they earn the same commission structure as you do when they make the sale directly. Well, I just wanted to leave this note here because I believe this system can help a lot of people that need extra income but don't have a lot of time, money, or experience to invest. That's exactly how I started too, and I wanted to let you know there's a path to success. If you want to know more about this new system, please write more info in the comment section or click on the link above this video.
My name is Barbie Figueroa from Fort Lauderdale, Florida, and I'm super excited because in the last 90 days, I've earned $2,800 with Builderall.
Hey, Gene Hank is here with my daughter Emily, and we're from New York City, and we're excited because within a couple of months we've been able to earn over $5,000, and all thanks to Builderall. I'll see you guys. Peace.
My name's Liam, I'm from Manchester in England, and I've made over $25,000 with Builderall.
Hi from Italy, my name is Salvatore. I am so excited because in the last 5 months I have earned more than $9,000.
Hey guys, Vinny here with partnerwithvinny.com, and I'm very excited for Builderall. I made over $263.70 in 48 hours using the Builderall platform.
Hi, I'm Lucille from the Netherlands, and I'm super excited because in the past 4 months I made $4,000 with Builderall.